Okay, name.
My name is Kit.
Where are you from?
England.
England! Okay, come on, Kit. Tell me some of your stories. How long have you been here?
I've been here just over a month.
Okay, and tell me a few stories you've had.
Oh gosh, I need. The first one is I've been to Lombok and back quite a few times because went to Lombok and my phone was stolen and the police. Yep, and I haven't got it back. The police tried to get the code and everything, track it. It was very late that day. We had the whole village looking for my phone, so I put a prize for whoever found it. The police then, it was getting late and we didn't have accommodation, so the police then took us to a prostitute house where they had 24-hour accommodation, which was quite surprising because the owners knew the police very well, so I think we know what's going on there. We've climbed many mountains, surfing, many crazy nights in Canggu. It was really good. Ubud was really nice as well. Doing whitewater rafting, making ring.
Oh, I love this ring. Take it off. Come on, take it off. Take it off. Look at this. This was made in Canggu, and it tells the story of Indonesia. Or your trip to Bali, should I say?
Some of it.
Tell me what's on the ring. Go.
So we have waves for surfing because it looks good. We have Palm Island from Lombok. Going to different islands, went to Gili T. Gili T is also a really good place to go. I didn't put the mushroom on there. We had a bit of a crate. I didn't. Oh wait, no, yeah.
Move on.
Yes. Scorpion. We had a death scorpion in our room, and apparently it could, like, one sting could paralyze you. Or kill
where
you.
did you make this in Canggu?
It's the something tree.
Something tree.
Something tree.
All right. When I find out, you'll tell me, and then I'll post it. The something tree
It's
in Canggu.
If you just search up "make your own ring" in Canggu, it will come up straight away first.
And you can do all your
Yeah,
story.
You can pick a design, or you can choose the design you want.
I love that. I
It's
love
really
that. I love that. Drinks. Did you find a drink you like?
Yes. So even on my ring, we have a little bottle. Here is the local alcohol Arak. It's the best thing ever. 25,000 for a bottle this big, no labels, and not many people know about it. But it's a life hack if you're a heavy drinker, because it's very strong, about 40 to 50%. And it's like rice. It's like a rice rum, and it absorbs into your system very quickly. So you need to be very careful when you're drinking it. But also, testing it. You have to pour it on the table. You have to light it, and if it's a white flame, you can't drink it. It means it's methanol. It means it will kill you in one shot. So you need to make sure you light it. Blue flame, all good to drink.
Okay, I love good tips. One last thing, I've recommended to you to go to Java. Are you coming back?